Meaning of instruction.
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 Instruction. The term instruction can have several meanings, depending on the context. In general, an instruction is a set of directions or rules that one must follow in order to complete a task or achieve a goal. For example, when you assemble a piece of furniture, you may receive written instructions to guide you through the process. In the context of computing and programming, an instruction refers to a single operation that a computer program carries out. These operations are typically represented as binary code that the computer can execute. In education, an instruction can refer to the act of teaching or guiding students, such as when a teacher gives instructions for a classroom activity. Overall, the meaning of instruction depends on the situation in which it is used, but it generally involves providing guidance or direction to achieve a desired outcome.